Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Candy brand dryer and it's giving you an E7 error. What is this error and how can we get rid of it? So we're in luck because the E7 error is an error that we can usually fix as homeowners without calling anybody. The E7 error is just a poor airflow error in the dryer. So all we need to do to get rid of this error is get the air flowing good again. And the reason it's usually not flowing well is because it's blocked, and it's blocked by lint or other debris. And so we just want to make sure we check, depending on the model you have, you can have one or more lint screens or filters. Just make sure that those are all cleaned out and there's nothing gumming them up and keeping the air from flowing. And if you get them all cleaned out, then you should be able to get your dryer working back the way it should be. And again, if it doesn't clear that out, these errors can be because there's a real problem or because the machine senses there's a problem, but there's not actually one. So if you've checked all the filters and you're still getting it, you might need to call a technician to check out what's going on with the electronics of the machine. But anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.